Hi, I'm Julissa.
And I'm Ladaeja.
And we're from Harmony School of Excellence in Austin, Texas. Today we're going to talk about our PBL project.
7-layer density column.
But first, let's talk safety. You will be needing goggles, gloves, an apron, and if you have long hair, please secure it to the back.
Our driving question is it possible to put different liquids in a graduated cylinder and stack them together?
Now we're going to talk about our project. First, you will be needing beakers and a cylinder and corn syrup, dish soap, water with food coloring, vegetable oil, and rubbing alcohol with food coloring. You will first need to put them from highest density to lowest density. Our highest density would be the corn syrup with 1.33. Then we would have our dish soap with 1.06. And third, we will have our water with 1.0. Then our vegetable oil with 0.92. And finally, our lowest density would be our rubbing alcohol with 0.79. How is it possible, you ask yourself? It's all possible due to density. Now we're going to put them in the graduated cylinder and see how our results are. The science behind our project is that the same amount of two different liquids will have different weights because they have different masses. The liquid that weigh more, which have a higher density, will sink to below the liquids that have less weight, have a lower density. So this is how each liquid stacks on top of each other. And this is our final results. Our social studies connection is that around 250 BC, the Archimedes were relaxing in the bathtub when they started wondering how did their bodies float in the water. He realized that the volume of water that had spilled was equal to the space occupied by his body. This historical event shows how density was discovered. Our ELA connection is that when we first got our project, we researched and wrote it down on our PBL site. We learned how density is and why is it important to our society. Thanks for watching.